So next up, guys, got a nice sleeper truck here. So this is a 2012 Peterbilt 386. He's got just over 1 million miles, right around 32,000 hours, but it's got that big Cummins ISX 15 in it. They can take that type of miles an hour. It's got a nice big sleeper. Got a good bed in it. You got a fridge. You got plenty of storage. Aluminum rims, guys. Rubber looks pretty good yet. Sliding fifth wheel. Interior, you got heat AC, leather seats. You have all those pictures with the listing. Obviously, it's air ride. Sleeper truck's pretty well set up. So I'm here with Mike. He's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. Just got that grill guard on the front. 13-speed Eaton Fuller tranny. I shifted just a little in the lot. It seems like it shifted pretty smooth. So Mike's got the air brake still on. Sorry about that. He's got the air brake on there, but kind of spinning in a circle here around the yard. Trying to kind of keep the sun to the right way of it, I guess. There's no bias here. Now he's got the sun on the wrong side. See if you can get her in reverse here. Try to get that sun out of the video, but she does shift nice and smooth there, guys. So there's the video, guys, on the 2012 Peterbilt 386. Nice big sleeper truck. We'll try to have all the listings with the description, but real sharp looking truck. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.